if you'd like to wish me a happy birthday, decorate in purple and join me this month, January, for Courtney's birthday month. And I'll meet you there. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. My name is Courtney, and I love sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, everything purple, and so much more. So if you enjoy that type of content, honey, you have reached the right channel. Today I'm putting together a beautiful purple tablescape for my 55th birthday. So I've started off with a lavender runner. Then I came back in with lavender woven placemats, which I've layered 2 at each place setting, purple chargers, and some beautiful purple thrifted dinnerware originally from Pottery Barn. Absolutely gorgeous. Picked it up at Salvation Army for a song, honey. Purple iridescent glassware and silverware round off the table. For my centerpiece, I come in with my Z Gallery cloche, and that is covering a beautiful orchid arrangement. So sit back and relax while I finish working on this tablescape, and I'll meet you at the end. Let me wish you all a happy Tablescape Tuesday, the weekly open playlist hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY home decor. So to finish off this beautiful tablescape, I came in with some evergreens around the base of my cloche and added some mercury glass candle holders to the table. Because I only had 3 of the purple napkins, I took away 1 and added some purple eucalyptus picks to the other 2 place settings, and I think they look absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if you're enjoying today's tablescape, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. I would love to have you. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate your support so much, and I love you, love you, love you, mwah, so much. And to all of my fellow YouTube creators, honey, those tablescape divas, come on and join in the fun of Tablescape Tuesday. Simply create a tablescape video and upload it any Tuesday at 6 p.m. using our hashtag TablescapeTuesdays22. And we would love to have you. As a matter of fact, if you know any friends who'd like to participate, invite them too. The more the merrier, and we would love to have you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. So until next time.